Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services. And for today's Amazon DIY, we're going to learn how to change the handling days in bulk for your FBM items. Let's say you're an organization where where you fulfill majority of the orders by yourself, and you have a vacation days happening, but you do not want to activate the vacation day because it's a loss of sales on the FBM. So for that, what you want to do is you want to do an handling days increase because organically Amazon will only give you a one handling day. A maximum, if some of the accounts qualified, you can increase it for two. But if not that, you have to do that manually. And if you are like this account who has over 800 FBM active listings, doing that manually will not be possible. So in today's video, I'll show you how to do it. It's a quick and easy way. So let's start. First, we need to go to your menu on the top left corner. And where you want to go from a catalog and to add products via upload. So this is going to be a flat file tutorial, so be ready. From here, you need to go to the download spreadsheet and you will have the multiple options. And it's very confusing which one you need, and because some of them may actually fit exactly the problem you're trying to solve, but it's going to make things difficult. So the one you need is the get price and quantity template. You click here and you download the US one. If you're in the other marketplace, feel free to pick that right one. But for these purposes, we're going with an Amazon.com. So I already have it downloaded here, and this is how you get it as an empty template. It's usually it has the part of an instructions. Feel free to read it through and data definitions. I think this is more important areas. You need to know the SKU example, price, minimum. So these are not mandatory as we discussed. We're doing the handling time. So handling time is mentioned just by the numeric, so you pick that, and if you leave this blank, the important to know that every column you leave it blank, it's not going to change anything. So if you were dealing with a handling day, for example, all we need to do, we need the SKU and we need the handling day. No minimum, maximum price, no quantity, no fulfillment channel, as that will go as a default. If you want to adjust, this is actually great flat file to adjust the quantity as well, but this is not what we are dealing with, so we're going to leave this blank. On the other file, I already have things here filled up. As you can see, it is, I have the SKUs here. They're not ASIN based, they're SKU based. Nothing here I'm changing, only the handling time. So you may think, why do I have the quantities updated here? It is not because I wanted to update the quantity, but when I submitted for an upload, I received an error that it's because we're updating the handling days, they also required the quantity there. So I used an inventory Excel download to get the exact inventory numbers to put there. It's more symbolic because for this company, the inventory feed is actually coming from 3PL. I could probably put like ones across the board and would not change. But the reason I have it here because the system asked me to do that. So when you have all of this area where a lot of us make this mistake, including me. So the Amazon accepts this type of file on tab-delimited version. So when you go to save it, save as, you have to make sure that it is tab-delimited right here. Not Excel, not CSV, but tab-delimited. So once you save it, I see it will replace it because I've already done that. You're not going to experience the same, but once you save, you save. So after saving it, next thing what you want to do, you want to go to upload a spreadsheet, browse, and you download or you upload your file where it will go, and it'll take process until it'll give you the final result. So I have done that for November 29, so I don't want to do it again. This is a tutorial purpose, and you can see how it looks. A record successfully submitted. All of that here is good. And the ones you're going to make mistakes, you're going to get an action which will show you download the processing summary. This is a really great tool again look into it if you made any mistakes to correct it. But that's about it. This is a very straightforward path to do it. The reason I boosted this video because I could not find any straightforward ways as a YouTube tutorial. So I hope this helps for the next guy who does this, especially during this holiday season. Thank you, and tune for more Amazon DIYs in the future from PAS.